Hey guys, good morning. We survived day one of distance learning. So now we're going to survive day two of distance learning. Um, we're going to make it work because we can do hard things. So the first thing I want you to do is, like yesterday, I want you to go over here to the daily schedule and assignments for career life. Go ahead and click on that. And then here is our daily schedule for career life. So I'm not going to go through this again, but I am going to tell you it is important that you log in to the hub every day. That is how you will get your attendance. And here is how you do that. All you need to do is log in, and it shows that you have logged in. You don't need to do anything. You don't need to go in a special place. You don't need to log in for every class. You just need to log in at least once a day, and that's how you will get your attendance. Okay. I added some things to this slide about the contact information. If you are in a class and you need help and you don't know who to ask for that help, you can go here to this form. You click on it, and it takes you to a Google form that you can ask for help on. And then one of us teachers will reach out to you. It might be me, it might be Miss Zinda, it might be Mr. Juleson or Miss Werner or Miss Grams, but one of us will reach out to you and help you if there's something that you come across and you need help with. Okay, so I added that here. I also added it. If you go over here to March 31st and it says need help with assignments, click here. Okay, so anyways, like I told you yesterday, we're going to be working on a transition curriculum. And that transition curriculum is going to help us as we prepare for life outside of high school. Today, we're going to start our first curriculum, and it's titled, oh gosh, what is it titled? Who am I? Sorry, who am I? And the things that we're going to learn in this unit is we're going to learn how to understand our IEP, going to learn about your learning disability and how that impacts your life, talk about the accommodations that you use, and what sort of skills do you need to have in order to be an independent adult. And then we're going to determine learning preferences and how to advocate for yourself. Okay. But for today, the only thing you need to do is one page. So after you log onto the hub and after you log into your emails and check your emails, after you watch the screencast lesson, the first thing I want you to do is a quick Flipgrid. This is a Flipgrid just because I miss seeing your faces, I miss hearing you. I want to see you and know that everything's good and all is well. And so that's what that's about. Okay. And the next thing it says go to Who Am I in Google Classrooms. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go over here to Google Classrooms. Career Life. And I'm going to go to the Unit 1, Who Am I? Okay. Who am I? Okay. This first page is just an overview of the skills we're going to learn in this class. I just spoke with you about that. This nice little quote here about how your awareness, self-awareness, and that sort of thing. So the first thing I want you to do is this self-reflection page. This is all I want you to do today. I want you to take a few minutes to tell me what your strengths are. Tell me what you have difficulty with. Tell me what do you need to do to overcome those difficulties. Tell me what your dreams are and how do you plan on achieving those dreams. Okay? Once you take a few notes up here at the top, I want you to come down here to the bottom of the page and I want you to tell me what your dreams are. Okay? Maybe your dream is to be a chemist. Maybe your dream is to be a welder. Maybe your dream is to drive a forklift or work at the post office, become a teacher. I want you to tell me what your dream is, and then I want you to tell me what your strengths are, what do you have difficulty with, and how all of these things are going to relate to your dream, okay? How all of these things listed up here tie together and they relate to your dream. That's all you have to do today. That's it. Nothing more. Once you're done with this, go up here to the share button and share it with me. Now, remember, my name is Catherine Mendoza, but you can find me, my email is kmendoza@isd271.org, and you can find me that way. If you have questions about this, I am offering a optional Google Hangout, okay? And so if you click here on this Google Hangout, you can go and click join now, okay? And that's optional. And I have that scheduled for, oh shoot, I don't remember. Let me look at my calendar. Sorry, guys. All right, I have that scheduled for 1:30 today. I'll add that to the Google Classroom document. And if you want to join us at 1:30 for this Google Hangout, you certainly can. If you don't want to join us for that Google Hangout, you don't have to, but it is optional. All right, so let's talk about what we're going to do tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to talk about the student transitions profile. That's what we'll do tomorrow. And then again, if you need any help with any of your other classes, you can click here and that will take you to that website. All right, again, really quick, please contact me if you need help. You can find me at my email. You can find me on Remind. You can use a Google Hangout. You can send a message through Google Classroom. There's all sorts of ways to get in touch with me. So please, please, please let me know if you need anything. All right, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're safe. I hope you're healthy. And I hope to see your face soon.